Yo, what is going on, you guys? And I got the idea to go ahead and make this video out of nowhere because I was bored, and I figured I'm gonna go ahead and try this. So we're gonna be riding 15 miles, and I'm gonna be recording the whole thing. So let's just go jump right up into it. Billy. That'll be a pain. But I mean, like, we got our helmet on. That's what we have the GoPro on. I thought about just taking the chest mount, but I kind of like the head cam better. I think I'm already going at a faster time than I'm already supposed to be. I'm definitely going to check out the maps again. I know exactly where I'm going, partially. There's a back road I'm going to end up taking then. Not 100% sure where I'm going to find it at though. Sure too. So that would be great. I think I might have to drive on the sidewalk here. I don't really see anywhere of an indication to ride really. There's a bit, but not really though. That was why I didn't want to go on the sidewalk, because I knew I was going to see people. I think I'm still good for no drink yet. Oh yeah, I'm definitely good. I should have got a drink of water before I came out though. That would have made it a little bit easier for me, but we're still rocking. I don't think I have anything on me. I'd really hope not. Finally, we got a coaster right here. There was a hole. Alright, so guys, I was right about my crank being loose. So whenever I get the chance, I'm going to be stopping. So it's gonna make it a little bit longer for me. And I tighten it up with my fingers. Because I don't have Allen keys. I don't think I'm gonna find anyone that has the right Allen key for it either. So I'm just gonna have to keep on trying the way I'm doing it. Is that the road right there? Let me see. And yes, it was the road, so... Oh boy. I think I saw it's a big old hill too. Yep. That's gonna make it a little bit longer than it's supposed to. And I have to worry about my screw coming out. This will be interesting. I'll catch up with you when I get up at the top, and then I'm coasting down. So now I could actually be riding this up pretty easily, but I'm just walking it up so I don't lose my crank. And I thought it was pretty interesting to see that little stream there. I'm actually about 90% sure I could actually drink that water there too, because it's getting cleaned off from the rocks and taking all that bacteria out of it. Which there's a chance I could have drunk that, but I'm not going to take the risk, and I'm going to keep on going this way, and we'll eventually be coasting down a downhill, and then we'll be coasting down a larger downhill. We'll actually be coasting, I think we might be coasting a lot, and I think about it, hopefully. But yeah, I'll get back with you guys then. Now I had to show this. I've never been on this road before, and like, it's watered down, but there's still a brick road. Like that's really neat. You don't really see much brick roads anymore. So I had to share this. And you can see there was still that, like the, I don't know what it's called exactly, the material, but it's not that road, it's like the brick road, and that's actually really cool. And there's a lot more water on here too. It's actually really interesting because over there, you got like a whole track that I showed you earlier. There's like a lake there too. I think it's actually really neat. But yeah, I'll actually now get with these when I'm going down the downhill. Alright, so guys, I did switch the battery out. We got up here. We're now about like 7 miles in. No, probably like 7.5 miles in. 7.5 miles left. And holy, my crank wants to fall off. But it ain't gonna stop me yet, and we will finish this. I might want to go tighten up my thing again real quick. Alright. Made sure it was tightened, like hand tightened. Entering the next town. Now here we'll have a decent amount of coasting once we get out of here. Alright, so guys, we got it to Dylan's house. He hooked me up. We got the crank tightened up. We aren't gonna lose it, surprisingly. Hit a little hill bomb here. Alright, so we're getting back to it, and now we're gonna finish up the rest of the miles. I probably rode an extra mile here But I'm still just gonna count it as a 15. We have like one more uphill, then it's good coasting from there. And then, well, I've cleared the 15 miles. Up here's our other uphill we have to climb. And then after that, it's pretty much just a straight on coast. And then we've cleared it. Still pedaling a bit, but that's just so we get that good old speed coming down this. My crank don't even seem wobble anymore. I'm feeling real good. Cars are going about 60 maybe on the side of me. Yeah, because we're only going maybe like 20 miles an hour. We're gonna take this side road then, that way we're not interfering with some of this traffic though. Oh, hey, we're almost there, but like a half a mile left. And I do know to the right of me rocks fall, so I do have to be careful on the side road if there's any like rocks falling or if there's a rock in my way. So I'm ready for the brakes. They can just go past me anyways. They have the middle line that no one's supposed to drive in unless physically have to, like for a turn or something. But you don't need to go that far away. I mean, like, I'm not even on the road. But I'm not gonna bother it. Last 100 meters. Well, I'd probably say like 800 maybe. Oh, there's no road here. There's no side road. no side road here. Nah, that's my fault. There's some rocks. Nothing major. There we go, there's the side road. Once I get up to this railroad tracks, that's 15 miles, which is like right over here. Right there it is. And we did it. Oh my gosh. I just rode 15 miles and my legs are barely even killing me. Like they just barely are. That was awesome. Thank you guys for watching. I'm not sure what the next video is going to be. Hopefully it's something good. Thank you guys for watching to the end. Hit that subscribe button if you liked it. And yeah, see you guys. Bye!